Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2024 Mini Cooper. The 2024 Mini Cooper has been named the best hatchback car for 2025, thanks to its iconic design, sporty performance, and premium features. Renowned for its distinctive character and engaging driving experience, the Mini Cooper continues to be a standout choice for those seeking a blend of style and functionality in a compact hatchback. Dynamic performance and agile handling. Under the hood, the 2024 Mini Cooper offers a choice of engines to suit various driving preferences. The base model features a 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine delivering 134 horsepower and 162 lb-ft of torque, providing a lively and responsive driving experience. For those seeking more power, the Cooper S model boasts a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 189 horsepower and 207 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and enhanced driving dynamics. The Mini Cooper's agile handling is complemented by its compact dimensions and precise steering, making it ideal for both urban maneuvering and spirited drives on winding roads. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for a balance of comfort and performance, ensuring a fun yet refined ride. Iconic design and customization. The 2024 Mini Cooper maintains its iconic design with a distinctive grille, round headlights, and a playful exterior. The hatchback's compact size and bold color options allow for a high degree of personalization, making it easy for drivers to express their individuality. The interior features premium materials and a driver-focused layout, with a customizable ambient lighting system and a large, circular central display. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Mini Cooper comes equipped with a user-friendly 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Standard safety features include a rear-view camera, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning. Optional upgrades such as adaptive cruise control and parking assist further enhance safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Mini Cooper stands out as the best hatchback car for 2025, combining its classic design with modern technology and spirited performance. It remains a top choice for those who value both style and driving pleasure in a compact, versatile package.